Our next handle is to need, and this can be a little bit more challenging than the others simply because there's more syllables in these words. So let's begin by trying to say I need. Necesito. He, she, or it needs. Necesita. You need. Necesitas. For we need, it would be necesitamos. So we have a lot of syllables in there. We have ne, se, si, ta, mos. Necesitamos. That one can be a little bit challenging to remember at first, but the more we use it, the more you'll get used to it. And after a while, it won't present you with any problems. And it's really useful to be able to say we need this or we need that. So we need is necesitamos. How would you say we need it? Lo necesitamos. We need it now. Lo necesitamos ahora. We don't need it. No lo necesitamos. We don't need to tell you. No necesitamos decirte. We need to tell her. Necesitamos decirle. Hopefully you remember from a previous lesson that to say decir is to say something to someone, right? So instead of saying la for her, it changes to le. Decirle could mean to him or to her. So to say something to him or to say something to her. Necesitamos decirle. What about we need to tell them? Necesitamos decirles. Again, it changes here. It's not los for them, but les, because again, we're saying something to them. So we have le for him and her, and les for them. If we already know that necesita is he, she, or it needs, necesita, how would you say they need? Necesitan. So we just took he, she, and it, necesita, and added the N for they. So necesitan means they need. How would you say they need to do it? Necesitan hacerlo. They need to find it. Necesitan encontrarlo. They need to tell me tomorrow. Necesitan decirme mañana. Here's a look at what we have all on one slide. We have necesito, I need. Necesitas, you need. Necesita, he, she, or it needs. Necesitamos, the long one, for we need. And necesitan, for they need. We can see clearly the same pattern present here, where we have o representing I need, necesito. Then for he, she, and it, we have necesita, and we add an S onto that for you need, necesitas. Or if we add an N, it would be they need, necesitan. And then we have this strong mos sound for we need, very characteristic, right? It's necesitamos. Remember that the stress is happening on the penultimate syllable right before mos. So it would be necesitamos. How would you say it needs? Necesita. We need. Necesitamos. I need. Necesito. They need. Necesitan. And you need. Necesitas.